shop. Where would you like to go? Swipe to see the shops. Grand opening, pet shop. It's nice to see you again. Your total is $12.27. Tap to select your rewards card. Cash, debit card, or gift card. Please swipe your card. Please sign the signature box. Tap the check mark when you're done. Where would you like to go? Grand opening! Fashion boutique. Hello again. That'll be $34.99. Tap to select your rewards card. Cash or card. You earned reward points. Where would you like to go? Swipe to see the shops. Tap the check. Grand opening! Glamtastic accessories. Hi there. Your total is $31.49. Tap to select your rewards card. That'll be $132.46. Tap to select your rewards. How do you want to pay? Fabulous! You earned lots of points today. Where would you like to go? Swipe to see the shops. Tap the grand opening! Sweet shop. Welcome! Your total is $43.93. Tap to select your rewards cash, debit card. Shop to earn more points. Reward Center. Swipe to see other shops. Tap the check mark, select a reward, and tap on the check mark button when you're done. Hi, it's Barbie. Touch a button. Game. Tap to select your rewards card. Welcome to the Express Lane. Awesome! Earn more points by shopping again.